Hello and welcome to our channel Info Blizz. In this video, we're going to introduce the top 5 best places to visit in the beautiful country Scotland. Scotland is a land of legends, myths, and history. It is home to some of the most spectacular landscapes in the world, with rugged coastlines, mountains, lochs, and rolling green hills. The culture of Scotland is just as captivating, with traditional music, dance, and festivals that are unique to this part of the world. Let's start our journey in Edinburgh, the capital city of Scotland. It is a city that is steeped in history, with narrow streets, medieval buildings, and impressive monuments such as the Edinburgh Castle. The city is also home to some of the best museums, galleries, and restaurants in Scotland. During the Edinburgh Festival Fringe, the city comes alive with street performers, comedians, and musicians. It is an experience not to be missed. Our next stop is the famous Loch Ness. The lake is located in the Scottish Highlands, and it is the second largest lake in Scotland. Loch Ness is famous for the legendary monster that supposedly lives in its depths. But that's not the only thing that makes this lake worth visiting. The natural beauty of the surrounding mountains and forests is breathtaking. You can take a boat tour or go hiking in the area to fully appreciate the scenery. Moving on, we arrive at the Isle of Skye. It is the largest of the Inner Hebrides, an archipelago off the west coast of Scotland. The Isle of Skye is known for its stunning landscapes, rugged coastline, and rich history. The island is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts, with activities such as hiking, fishing, and kayaking. You can also visit the iconic landmarks of the island, such as the Old Man of Storr and the Fairy Pools. Another great place to visit is St. Andrews, a town located on the east coast of Scotland. St. Andrews is famous for its golf courses, including the Old Course, which is considered the home of golf. But golf is not the only thing that St. Andrews is known for. The town is also home to one of the oldest universities in the world, founded in the 15th century. The historic town has a charming atmosphere, with narrow alleys, cobbled streets, and historic buildings. Our final stop is Glasgow, the largest city in Scotland. Glasgow is a vibrant city that has a rich cultural heritage. It is home to many museums, galleries, and theaters. The city also has a vibrant music scene, with many live music venues and festivals throughout the year. The Glasgow Cathedral is a must-visit, as it is one of the oldest and most significant buildings in the city. And that's our list of the top 5 best places to visit in Scotland. We hope this video has inspired you to visit Scotland and experience its rich culture, history, and natural beauty. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.